Let's make ham and cheese tortilla wraps with light mayonnaise and tarragon, a delicious common herb that tastes like béarnaise sauce, which is like the best sauce ever made. You can always use regular mayonnaise too, though, if you don't mind getting fatter. If you have a microwave, you can preheat them in that until the cheese starts to melt ever so slightly. Then fry them in the pan with some oil on medium-high heat until they are golden and the cheese has melted inside. Press down while frying the rolls, then take them off the pan and cut off the corners when they are done.